Hi, this is a tutorial on how to add a calendar to your web page in JT Learn. First, we need to decide where you want to locate the calendar. Come over here to the left-hand side under Sites and you'll see your classes. I'm going to select English 1. From there, I want to decide where I want to place my calendar on this page. For this example, I think the best place is probably down here underneath Announcements and Shared Documents. Go to the top of the left corner of the screen, select Site Actions, and select Edit Page. Before we do anything else, I want you to notice how the cursor is blinking up here above Announcements. In order to place the calendar where I mentioned, we need to come down below Shared Documents and left click. That way the cursor will be down here and that will allow us to place the calendar below Shared Documents where we want it. Next, come up here to Insert, click on Web Part, and here you'll see a list of some various different web parts. We're working with a calendar, so let's select Calendar and then click Add. Now you can see your English 1 homepage with a calendar, shared documents, and announcements. Before you can move on, you need to come up and select Save and Close. So that's the first part of our tutorial on how to add a calendar to a web page within JT Learn. The next thing I want to show you is how to add an event and a document to that event. So today is the 17th, as you can see how it's highlighted here. I'm going to add, on the 20th, I'm going to add a date, a due date for a paper, and a rubric that goes with it. In order to add that rubric, we first need to go and get that rubric. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to my teacher level page by selecting on the breadcrumb, select the teacher's name, and under my teacher resources, I have the rubric that I want to attach. Here it is, persuasive rubric. So over here, the drop down menu, click on the arrow and go down to Send To. From there, it'll give you a couple different options. Click on Email a Link. And when you do that, it'll open up the link in Microsoft Outlook. All we're going to do is we're going to highlight that link, we're going to right click and copy. Once you've done that, go ahead and close the. You don't want to save the changes. Okay, now we have the link for this document in your teacher resource library. The next thing that we're going to do is go back to your English 1 page. And like I said, our paper is due this Friday on the 20th. So go to Add, and I'm going to type in a description. Persuasive paper rubric. You can change the start time and the end time if you like. And then right here in the description, you can paste the link from that document that we just retrieved. And then scroll down, click on Save, and now you see the event that we just added. And if you double click on that, it gives the students all the information that you just input, and then a link to that document where they can open that document from your document library, and there's the rubric they can use for the persuasive paper that's due this Friday. So that ends the tutorial on how to add a calendar in JT Learn. Hopefully this was helpful.